Tony, you're on.
Hey,
We don't got all day, Tony.
who's gonna show you how to fix an electrical outlet that stopped working? Toolbox Tony, of course.
Hey, gather round, kids. It's Toolbox Tony.
First, you want to go to your trusty toolbox and grab a classic flathead screwdriver. Next, you want to have a bit of a think about how dangerous it could be to do your own electrical work. Then, put the screwdriver back in the toolbox and give Mr. Electric a call. Capiche? Their experts will get the job done right, with upfront pricing and top quality workmanship. Believe me. Hey, stay safe, folks. And please, subscribe to my channel.
Hurry up, Tony. Finish your little video.
Gina, I'm not done. I mean, it's like, what do you think of I'm trying to earn a living here.
He's really grinding my gears.
I love this woman.